Breaker 109, this is Big Hoss. We got a semi-truck we got to build, so let's get started. Here we go. So this is the cut list on the right hand side. You're going to use a 1x3, 40 inches long. A 1x3 is actually 2.5 inches wide, so make sure you take note of that. You're going to need two pieces, one for your cut list and one for your wheels. And this is what it's going to look like when you get it all cut out. After you can get it all cut out, I have the measurements posted right here. So the board on the left is the back cab, the middle one is the windshield, and the right one is the hood. And you can go ahead and start cutting those out on the bandsaw. When you cut these out, make sure that you're careful because you're making a resaw cut on a small board. It is ideal to use a push stick, especially for that windshield. After you cut those out, you can head over to the disc sander and just lightly sand those. It shouldn't need much sanding, just pretty much taking the bandsaw blade strokes out.
Golly! I wasn't filming.
Did you mess up your own project?
I didn't mess up.
Here,
I wasn't recording.
Oh, you wasn't recording?
No.
Are you recording now?
Yes. Unfortunately, yes.
Add me on Snapchat?
I don't have a Snapchat. God.
Alright, so as you just heard, I was not recording like I thought I was. So I did a little mock presentation here. Those aren't the original boards, but this kind of shows you how I assembled. There's a few different ways you can do it. The main thing is on this board right here, don't shoot through your front windshield. Shoot low with the gun. So, and you pretty much just assemble. I use brad nails with 1 1/4 nails. Are easy to putty. And then you can just come on the bottom side once you get it all done and just attach it. Make sure you glue it. Here I am laying out my wheels. There really is no measurement. Just make sure your front wheel doesn't stick out too far forward because you'll hit the front bumper. After you get your wheels laid out, then you can use your square tape measure, whatever, and measure up 3/8 because that's going to be the center of that 1x. So right here I'm using a 5/16 twist bit and I'm using a drill press. That way the holes are perfectly straight. Also, it's important to use a twist bit. That way if you hit a nail, it should cut right through them. Here I am attaching my wheels. I just use glue, and the glue does well holding the wheels to the axles. Those axles are 1/4 inch dowel rods, and it's on the cut list, but they are cut at 4 1/8 inch. I glue one side and then I stick it through the axle hole, and then glue the other. And finally, I attach the front bumper. I make sure I center it up, and then I nail and glue it with a brad nail. Hope this video was helpful. Please put any questions down in the comments.